What's up, y'all? I'll be cooking something up today, Gavin style. So today I'll be cooking up a screwdriver. So that's a vodka and orange juice mix. So of course our ingredients, got some freshly squeezed OJ right here. We got some Angostura bitters right here. I just stole from Whole Foods. And of course only the best, Trader Joe's vodka. So I got my chilled glass here. I don't really have that many good glasses. It's the best one I can find in my house. I'm gonna pop some ice in that bitch. Whoa. Look at that ice. There we go. A little bit of ice. It's not fully melted. That's the way you want it because that's the only way it's gonna get clear like that. That looks really pretty. So after that, I got this is about 6 ounces of orange juice right here. I just squeezed. I bought a couple oranges from Whole Foods. I bought them, and I squeezed some orange juice, and I supplemented a little bit of bottled orange juice I had in the fridge because it wasn't quite enough. But this is that. Pour that bitch in. Gonna pour in that hoe. That's that orange juice. This quarter cup, that's about 2 ounces of vodka right here. I don't know how the shot looks. I just set this up on a chair and a cinder block and a bowl. That's my setup. Here we go. Damn. That looks really nice with the vodka on top. Unfortunately, I'm gonna stir it with the straw here. There we go. Garnish. Oh, hold up. Actually, I got a couple little orange peel slice things. We're gonna express some of that orange oil. Go wipe that on the rim there like that. Express some of that oil. Some of that on the rim. Little orange slice here. This way looks a little better, huh? Little orange slice and just cracking this open. Just got this. Come on. Very fragrant. Couple dashes of bitters. That was kind of a lot, but there we go. That is Screwdriver. That's good. All right, we out.